I love this hair dryer. It's really, really, really effective, especially for Hispanics. My hair is really curly, wavy, so I need a hair dryer that's really gonna heat up. So this one is really, I'm really pleased with it. The only complaint I have is that the back of the box shows 4 attachments, and it only comes with actually 3 attachments. So it's got this little one that I used just now, and I'm assuming it's this small concentrator. It's got the diffuser. It's got the diffuser, and this one with a comb, which I'm not sure if I'll ever use, but you never know. So I ordered it, and I thought, well, it's missing an attachment, so I'm going to order another one. I'm going to return it. And this is the actual second one that I received, which the delivery was very good and prompt. But it also only has 3 attachments. So instead of 4, it's actually missing this large concentrated attachment. So I'm just going to assume that it just comes with 3 instead of 4. So that's the only thing. And the attachments look slightly different for some reason. So I'm not sure what's going on, if the box is outdated or what. But other than that, it's really, really an excellent hair dryer.
It just worked really good. Buy it. Hear it? Can you hear it? It's completely on. See? 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 Okay, I'm turning it off. Yeah.